What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? YouTube is Dad from Dad's Simply Cooking, and we're making blueberry cream cheese bread. I know, right? Sounds pretty good. So let's get into it. Waste no time. Enjoy. So here I have all my ingredients. We just did a flash for it right here. So right here I have a cup and a half, or a cup and 3/4 of flour. I'm going to try my best to get it all in there. It's fine if it don't. And my sugar. Sift all my dry ingredients together. Say, excuse me, Momo. My baking soda and baking powder. Slow, slow, and steady. Just like this. Good. You just want to make sure you get all that baking soda, baking powder, and everything in, mixed in good with that flour and the sugar. Get everything incorporated. And then we're just going to add in the rest of our ingredients.
What are you making, Dada?
Blueberry cream cheese bread.
What's in my blueberry cover?
Something like that. About half a cup of milk.
Let's put the egg, Dada.
Okay. Good job. 1 egg.
I want one pie or something.
Okay.
Okay.
That's good. Good job. I got it. Thank you. We're just going to whisk that in. Get our dough. Splash of vanilla.
I'm going to put them now.
I did forget the butter. A stick of butter we're throwing in there. My bad. I thought I was missing some butter. So I have a cup of butter, which is a whole stick. And then we're just going to mix it up. I'm going to fold in my blueberries. Blueberry juice. Fold it in. Add some more. Because blueberries. Blueberries. Alright. I got my cake dish. I don't know how many I'm going to be able to make. We're going to try it out. Our cake pan. But then we got to make our cream cheese spread. So we're going to save the rest to go on top. Because in between our cream cheese is going to go. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to put my cream cheese in this bowl, put it in the microwave, and kind of warm it up because it's not at room temperature. Cream cheese shooting fire, shooting fire. All right. So, cream cheese, 1 egg. Bam. The heathens take it slow. Sugar is 1/4. Yep, 1/4 cup of sugar. 1/4 cup. Good. And vanilla. We're just gonna mix it up. Let's see what happens here. And just pour it right on over top. We ain't driving. Bam. All right, then the rest of our batter. Right on top. Try to work it the best you can. Just like that. That batter, straight fire. And come on, we're making bread, y'all. Throw some cinnamon on it. 350 in the oven. Telling you. Ooh, hot mama. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at there, look at there, look at there. I cut into that one. Oh.
That thing, it looked good.
Look at there, look at there, look at there. Say, look at there, look at there. Don't scream.
Hey, I want them.
Oh yeah, eat your food at the table.
Again?
Mm-hmm. All right, y'all, let's cut into this. Oh, that beautiful, and it didn't really fall apart. It's so nice. It's impressive. I let them sit in the oven for like an hour. Okay, an hour. And look at that. Oh yeah, it's delicious. Let's try this. I got it with some ice cream. Yo. Hey y'all, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you made this bread, let me know. I'm excited about everybody trying this bread. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Peace out. I love you. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe down below. Thank y'all for watching my videos. Peace.